Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And many people, I think it was the number one question, basically on the users of this channel, the viewers. And it was, how do I know if I have the latest certificates installed for my secure boot? And if not, where do I get them? So the majority of people, a big chunk of people, will get them through Windows Update. Either in a separate update that will tell you it's that. Also, Microsoft has acknowledged that the latest Patch Tuesday update of February is pushing new certificates, new keys for the secure boot through the update, but that it isn't applied automatically immediately. You know, that annoying, we're doing it in phase, we're doing it, slowly. Well, that is also applied to the secure boot option. So how do you know if secure boot is updated on your system? You will actually go and ask for the PowerShell, and you will run it as administrator. And once you have it, there's a command that I will share with you guys in the description below. It's this string of characters that I just put on that command line. And once you press enter, it's going to say true or false. False, like on this machine that I have here, my machine still does not have the latest certificates. True, you're okay. You've got the latest certificates. They've been updated. So this is giving you really a true or false. Now, this works only when Secure Boot is enabled and working on your PC. It's extremely important to understand that. If Secure Boot is off, you will not get a true or false. You'll get some kind of weird string of characters are going to say that it's unsupported. There's something wrong, something not right on this. And that is working only when Secure Boot is all working and fine. So for the rest, wait. There's a good chance that within the next weeks, your system will be updated without you having to do anything. If not, we will have some future videos as we're going through slowly the expiration of the old Secure Boot certificates, which is happening in June of this year. As we get nearer, I'll give you suggestions on how to check for updates or update your certificates for Secure Boot. So it's as easy as that with a PowerShell command. And of course, all you'll have to do is that command that I posted here. I will put it in the description below. Simply copy the command, and once you're in the PowerShell, paste it. You can use the Control-V option to paste. And you can also right-click and have the command go on your computer. So once again, it's going to return true or false. False is it's not there yet. True, it's okay, you already have the latest certificates for Secure Boot. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.